What you're looking at right now isn't just another fast sedan. This is the 2026 BMW M5, and it represents one of the biggest shifts in M car history. The M5 has always been the ultimate sleeper super sedan. It's a kind of car that looks executive on the outside, but absolutely destroys sports cars when the road opens up. For 2026, BMW didn't just refine that formula. They straight up reinvented it, blending electrification with old-school V8 brutality. Some people are excited, some are skeptical. But one thing is guaranteed. Nobody is ignoring this car. Asterisk as we start walking around the front. The first thing that hits you is how aggressive and planted the M5 looks. The kidney grills are massive, as expected in modern BMW fashion. But they're darker, more sculpted, and actually fit the M personality better than on regular 5 Series models. The headlights are sharp and technical, with an angular LED signature that looks mean even when the car is parked. The front bumper is packed with huge air intakes, and they're not just for show. This thing needs serious cooling, especially with a hybrid system backing up a twin-turbo V8. The hood has subtle but purposeful creases that hint at the muscle underneath. And when you're looking at it head-on, the M5 has that intimidating stance that tells you this car means business. Asterisk moving along the side. The M5 really shows off its size and presence. It's clearly bigger and heavier looking than older generations. But BMW has done a solid job hiding that mass with aggressive body lines and flared wheel arches. Those arches wrap around massive wheels with staggered setups and optional carbon ceramic brakes lurking behind them. The side skirts are more pronounced, helping visually lower the car. And small M badges remind you that this isn't just a dressed-up luxury sedan. Despite its size, there's still an athletic tension in the profile. Like the car is always ready to launch forward at any moment. Asterisk at the rear. The design leans hard into performance. The quad exhaust tips are still here, thankfully, and they're finished in black or carbon depending on the spec. A subtle lip spoiler sits on the trunk, adding just enough aggression without going full race car. The taillights are slim, modern, and wrap into the body beautifully, while the rear diffuser is chunky and functional, reinforcing how wide and planted the M5 feels. From the back, this car looks expensive, powerful, and slightly intimidating. Exactly how an M5 should look. Asterisk step inside, and the M5 completely shifts the vibe. This is where luxury meets full-on performance tech. The materials are premium everywhere you touch, from soft leather and Alcantara to carbon fiber trim that feels properly motorsport-inspired rather than flashy. The seats are heavily bolstered M Sport buckets that hug you tight. But they're still comfortable enough for long highway drives. You can daily this car without hating your life, which has always been part of the M5's magic. Asterisk the dashboard is dominated by BMW's latest curved display setup, blending the digital gauge cluster and the infotainment screen into one sweeping unit. It's sharp, fast, and packed with customization options, especially for performance data. You can see boost pressure, hybrid power flow, lap timers, G-forces, all the nerdy stuff M fans love. The M-specific steering wheel feels thick and confidence-inspiring, with red M buttons that let you instantly switch between drive modes you've customized. The cabin also stays quiet and refined when you want it to, but with the push of a button, it transforms into a much louder, more aggressive environment. Asterisk, now let's talk about what really matters: performance. Under the hood, the 2026 M5 keeps a twin-turbocharged V8, but this time it's paired with a powerful electric motor as part of a plug-in hybrid system. Combined, the power output is absolutely wild, landing well north of 700 horsepower. Torque is instant and relentless thanks to the electric assistance. And when you put your foot down, the M5 launches like a missile. 0 to 60 happens in the low 3-second range. which is insane when you remember this is a full-size luxury sedan with 4 doors and a usable trunk. Asterisk power goes through BMW's M xDrive all-wheel drive system, which means traction is ridiculous. You can put the power down in almost any condition, and the car just grips and goes. For the purists, there's still a mode that sends power mostly to the rear, letting you slide the car around if you're brave enough. The steering is sharp, the suspension is adaptive, and despite the added weight from the hybrid system, the M5 still feels shockingly composed when pushed hard. On the highway, it's a monster. On twisty roads, it's far more agile than something this big has any right to be. Asterisk when it comes to pricing. The 2026 BMW M5 sits firmly in the premium performance category. Expect the starting price to land somewhere around the low to mid six-figure range, depending on the market, with options pushing it significantly higher. Carbon ceramic brakes, upgraded interiors, performance packages, and exclusive trims can quickly add up. It's not cheap, but you're getting supercar-level performance, cutting-edge tech, and real luxury in one package. Compared to rivals, it's aggressive but competitive for what it offers. Asterisk, so who is this car really for? The 2026 M5 is perfect for someone who wants one car to do everything. You can drive it to a business meeting, pick up groceries, take your family out, and then absolutely annihilate sports cars on a back road or highway. If you care about performance but refuse to give up comfort and practicality, this car checks every box. That said, if you're a hardcore enthusiast who wants something lightweight and raw, the added size and hybrid complexity might not be your thing. This M5 is more high-tech missile than stripped-down track toy. Asterisk wrapping it all up. The 2026 BMW M5 is bold, powerful, and unapologetically advanced. It doesn't try to be subtle about what it is. This is BMW saying that electrification doesn't have to be boring, and that performance can evolve without losing its soul. It may not please every old-school fan, but there's no denying how impressive it is on paper and on the road. If this is the future of M cars, it's a future that's fast, loud, and seriously exciting. And honestly, that's exactly what an M5 should be.